Welcome to my channel, everyone. This video is just a quick video to show you my Valentine's sale that I'm running in my Etsy shop. I have all my wreath kits 15% off except for one, and it's the newest one I uploaded, so it is not on sale, but all my wreaths are 25% off. The remaining wreaths that I have 3 left. I have this one, and then my 2 heart-shaped wreaths are also 25% off, and this one and the next one are around $15, so that's a really good price for those. I'm not making much at all off of those, but I really don't want to have to store them. So if anybody's interested, please visit my Etsy shop. I also have some other seasonal wreath kits available. They are not on sale yet because it's still a good ways away, except for Mardi Gras, I realized, is February 16th, so it's quickly approaching too, so I may run those on sale too here pretty shortly. Here's some of my Valentine's wreath kits. That's not all of them, that's just a few of them I wanted to show you what the prices are. There's the Mardi Gras right there. I believe I've got 4 available, 4 or 6, I can't remember right offhand, and it would look like 4. So then there's St. Patrick's Day. That is March 17th, so there's still plenty of time for that. If you'll notice, my wreath kits for St. Patrick's Day all have handmade bows in with them. And then I've also got some Easter kits started. I'm going to make a whole lot more. I'm just getting started on that, and I want to also make some wreaths. So please visit my Etsy shop, and I hope you enjoyed this. Thanks, guys.